Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is all about my morning skincare routine. I will be using this product from Shaklee. I will make sure to leave the discount code and the link to the website where you can purchase this product. So this product, I'm going to show you how I use the cleanser, the toner, and of course, the moisturizer. So let's get into it. First off, we are going to start by wash your hands because we want to start off with clean hands. After washing your hands, honestly, you don't have to dry it. You could just go into the process. So you want to start with the cleanser. So this cleanser is very good because it is the first step to this skincare routine. It keeps your pores clean by removing the dirt or makeup, any impurities. Actually, it takes it all off. So I put a little in my hand, right? It lathers a little bit, right? As you can see, it's very lightweight, which I love. Now, instead of wetting my face first, I am just going to start off by applying this cleanser on my dry skin to rub it in. I am rubbing in circular motion for about a minute. Then I am now going to wet my hands and then rub in the same circular motion. You want to take your time, especially around your T-zone. If you are someone that has oily skin, this part is very important. You don't want to just rush the entire thing. You want to make sure that you are taking your time, especially because this is very important. What most people forget is their neck. Your neck is also part of your skincare. So when you're washing your face, do not forget to wash your neck, especially if you are just going straight to bed. After rinsing off, I am going to the second step, which will be using our toner. Now, there are two ways to use the toner. You can either put it on your hands and tap your face, or you can put it on a cotton swab and just wipe your face. For the sake of today's video, I am going to just put it on my hands, but I do either one of them. So sometimes I use a cotton swab and sometimes I use my hands. This step is very important because it takes off the dirt that the cleanser did not take off. So if you realize sometimes when you wash your face, you still have a lot of dirt, which is where the toner comes in. Now, this toner exfoliates gently and it nourishes and hydrates your skin. So, guys, if you are someone that wears makeup, you're not someone that wears makeup, you're trying to get your skin back the way it used to be, definitely try this brand. Now, the third step is that, like, it looks pretty already, is the moisturizer. This entire product line is very lightweight. That is something that I noticed from the cleanser to the toner and now the moisturizer. Everything is lightweight. And of course, the presentation and the packaging is also a plus. Now, when it comes to the moisturizer, as I said before in one of my videos, you can rub it in instead of tapping, but you can as well tap it in. You just need a little bit, right? Because you are also going to put on sunscreen. I'll be doing another review of the sunscreen very, very soon. But you just need a little. The smell was good. It was a natural smell. This makes your skin a glow as well. It gives it that dewy kind of look, not like the dryness, like oh someone would think that you just got up out of bed. But this moisturizer gently nourishes your skin, hydrates your skin, makes your skin look like bouncy. If that's a right terminology, but it definitely locks in moisture. So after applying the moisturizer, I love the way it was. Like there's a little glow to my skin, and that's also always something that I want my moisturizer to do after I apply it. So guys, don't forget, I will be leaving the link to this product and also the discount code for you guys to get a little percentage off. They also have other products that you guys can check out, but let me know what you think about this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!